Welcome back to Everyday Race. So last week I changed struts on my Prius. You can see it in the video up here because it was making noise on the rear left side, and magically my truck decided to start making the same noise. So today I'm fixing it. Before that, let's see exactly what's going on. Alright, I already soaked the struts, and just like Prius, the dust cover is what's making noise, but this one's a lot worse shape. So just like Prius, the shocks or struts, this one's got shocks. It developed unstable ability to drive. Let me show you. Let me show you the bump test. As you can see, the right side keeps moving around while this one's stopping. So every time I hit a bump in the curve, it makes the ride very unstable. So the truck gets another set of cheap struts. These are FCS auto struts. They're $15 a piece. And we get to see what they're all about. They have nice black finish, nothing fancy. And got some writings here. So, time to put them in and see if the truck will become more stable. Let's get to work. The struts are out. Man. Now let's see what the truck behaves like without any struts. Yeah, that's not good. Alright, so let's see what we'll get here. Alright, old driver's side. It somewhat works. It looks worse than it works. Alright. Passenger side. Oh, this one's really easy to compress. Yeah, that would make the ride pretty unstable. Now the new one, the old one. The new one maybe 3-4 millimeters shorter. Small amount. Now it's yeah, new one's definitely gonna be an improvement. So enough talking, time to put them back in. All right, the new shocks are in. Where's that one? That one's kind of hard to see, but it's over there. So let's see what the bounce test looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. Try one more time. Perfect. All right, so let's get to the conclusion. The fit and finish of these shocks was pretty good. They fit right in on the truck. I didn't have to modify anything, so it's a big plus. Second, they were $15 a piece, which is a great deal if they last 5, 6 years. Well worth it. And last but not least, the test drive was pretty good. The noise is no longer there, and the ride quality improved by a whole lot. So that's going to be it for today. And thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.